Are you ready to test? This is an A2 prepositions test. It will have 30 questions. Don't forget to write your answers. Complete the sentences with the correct prepositions.
We are very interested in pop music. The children are excited about going to the movies. The principal was disappointed with the students' exams. I really need to speak to you. Laura is afraid of the dark. Are you listening to me? Mario looks similar to his brother. We are looking at some photos. Jacob is thinking about the exam. Cynthia is bad at math. He arrived in Paris yesterday. He is tired of working. She is waiting for the train. They are not worried about the exercise. We asked the waitress for some bread. Caroline invited us to her birthday party. I need to speak to the manager. He was waiting at the platform. Martin is responsible for finding a solution to their problem. We spend a lot of money on utility bills. I'm not interested in movies. People say chicken tastes similar to turkey. Pedro arrived at the bank just in time. Parents are responsible for their children's education. Patricia wasn't invited to Tyler's party. Adriana is waiting for the taxi to arrive. I am worried about my brother. The children weren't listening to their parents. I spend a lot of money on groceries. Thomas is very good at cooking.
Write your score in the comments.